I'd like to see Jamaica become crime free. If Jamaica and we're Jamaica need for economy. No more prisoner lasting. Revelation set. Eat what we grow what we eat. It is good for our economy.
Welcome to another Agrobuzz, our weekly agricultural program right here on Durain's Coffee Break. Right. Now, as we bring you more news and views and interviews on developments in the very important agricultural and agro-industrial sector. Now, as we embark on this new year, 2019, it's a great time to start some new habits. Yes, leave the old ones in the old year, start the new year with the right ones and the bright ones. So how about starting a backyard garden? And how about starting a compost heap in your backyard to help you in your gardens? Well, these are very good habits to adopt. Can save you a lot of money too. You can go in and pick your fresh produce right there. Yeah, man. And especially the ban of the one use of plastic bags. It is also an opportunity to utilize our domestic garbage to nurture our gardens and protect the environment at the same time. So here this morning to give us some expert advice on how this can happen is Ms. Rasheda Linton, who is the acting fruit tree crop coordinator at RADA. Good morning to you, Ms. Linton. Happy New Year to you.
Good morning, Ms. Samuel.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year to you. Happy New Year to you as well.
Yes, man. Welcome to Agrobuzz. Yes, man. So, why would you encourage Jamaicans to plant a backyard garden this year?
Definitely, I would encourage Jamaicans to plant a backyard garden. It lowers the cost of providing your family with healthy, fresh food. It makes your meals more personal and interesting.
True.
It connects your family to the natural cycle of plant growth.
Yes? And what happened to her? Oh my goodness, gotta get her right back.
She goes and they raise them round. I'm a beyond proud to be a Jamaican. Everybody, help me sing my song. When we say, eat what we grow what we eat. It is good for our economy. I'll be brand new talk on the street. When we say, eat what we grow what we eat. It is good for our economy. I'll be brand new talk on the street. Never would watch for all the 2-foot rat. Now broke people house and kitchen and shop. But if people go and go and catch crap, take me advice.
So I got her back, Ms. Rasheda Linton, who is the acting fruit tree crop coordinator of RADA, and she was telling us why it is very essential and a great idea to start the new year by planting your own backyard garden. I like the part about it being fresh and personal, Ms. Linton.
Yes. And it connects your family to the natural cycles of plant growth. And it provides wholesome physical activity and lasting memories for your children and your entire family. Isn't that beautiful?
It is, and the entire family can help out too, though.
Definitely.
And they can reap, though.
And they can reap just the same, exactly.
Now, what are some of the things that are easy to plant? Because, in a sense, you set up a garden with some very exotic plants and fruit and vegetable, and it takes forever, and you're not quite sure what to do. So give us some of the examples that we can do in a limited space, because some people may not also have the space for a big place.
Right. So before I get into the types of crops that can be planted, let's look at the space. If there is insufficient space, then persons should consider container gardening or vertical gardening.
Explain the container gardening.
Okay, so example of containers that can be used: old tires, drums cut in half, plastic containers, clay containers, or wood containers. What they would need to do is to ensure that there are holes at the bottom of these containers so the water is able to drain from the containers.
Right. And I like the part about the old tires, because you, instead of just having there sitting there gathering water and encouraging the Aedes aegypti mosquito to come and bite you, you could be utilizing it in a positive way.
Exactly. Right. I totally agree.
Right. So,
and now, this time around, vertical gardening now, that is a garden that grows upward using a support system. For example, a fence or a structure made from bamboo poles or shelves.
Interesting.
Yes, and listen to this now. Vertical gardens are ideal for persons with arthritis or other disabilities.
How is that so?
It is easier on the back and leg
Okay.
as opposed to kneeling or squatting
And
on
bending.
the ground. Right. So they'll be standing upright
I
and
got
doing
you.
their gardening.
Indeed. That's vertical gardens. All right. So what kind of crops we're talking about now?
Okay, so the types of crops to grow: vegetables, very easy to grow; string beans, very easy to grow; and condiments are very easy to grow. Most vegetables can be planted all year round. Example: carrot, cucumber, lettuce, callaloo, cabbage, pumpkin, and tomatoes. And they take anywhere from 6 weeks to 3 months to be harvested.
Okay. Right. And you have it right there, fresh, ready to go.
Right, ready to go.
You
Ready.
You don't have to go anywhere to get it. You have it right there in the backyard.
Exactly.
Now, in terms of nutrition, what's the difference between the organic matter and the inorganic fertilizers? Do explain that.
Okay. In terms of organic matter, these are from farm animal manure or vegetable matter.
Okay.
So the organic matter should be well broken down, that is decomposed and mixed into the soil before planting. Organic matter supplies the soil with nutrients and improves drainage in clay soil.
Okay. Right. Okay, now, so, the plastic bags, single-use plastic bag ban is on, whether we like it or not.
Yes.
So how can mulching and composting be used in a drive to better manage the household garbage, for instance?
Okay, so first let's look at what is compost. So we spoke about organic matter before.
Yes.
So now compost is organic matter that has been decomposed. Compost is rich in nutrients and very beneficial to the soil. So the process of composting requires making a pile or a heap of organic matter, such as leaves, grass, vegetable peelings, and farm animal manure.
Okay.
And wait for the materials to break down before adding it to the soil in your garden. Right, so there are rich nutrients to get from composting.
So how you make up a compost heap now? Have you all those peelings and all them things? What you do with them?
Well, basically what you will do is to put them in piles, in layers. So you're in your kitchen today, you have your vegetable peeling, your carrot peeling, your fruit peeling, cabbage peeling. So you have them, you place them in layers.
Instead of putting them in the garbage now.
Instead of putting them in the garbage, correct. Each day you just have them in layers. You can also put them in a container or you can make a pile. You can moisten it just a little and turn it so air can actually go into the heap and wait for it to decompose.
How you know when it composes?
Well, it is going to look like soil, basically, a crummy, dark structure. So that is when it's ready.
All right. So we're benefiting the no plastic bags. We're benefiting, don't have to go anywhere to get any vegetable. We're doing our own thing. You have the compost heap, which is full of nutrients, so it helps us with our backyard gardening. So there are a lot of benefits to the environment, would you say, Ms. Linton?
Before I go into the benefits, you had asked me about mulching.
Yes.
Yes. So mulching means to cover the soil between plants with a layer of material. Mulching is used to retain moisture in the soil and reduces the growth of weeds. So the same grass clippings, the leaves, tree trimmings, they can be placed around the plants and trees a few inches away from the base of the plant. And you will block the sunlight going to the weeds because remember, weeds are also plants and they will compete for the same sunlight as your vegetable.
Yes.
And when you mulch, less watering is required because it retains the moisture in the soil.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, man. So really helps the environment too.
Yes, it does. Now look at the benefits of composting and mulching on the environment. One, saves water by helping the soil to hold moisture.
Okay.
2, recycles organic material while conserving the landfill space. So, for example, less vegetable matter will be going to the landfill, so riverton. Right. 3, reduces the need for commercial fertilizers. It adds nutrients to the soil, improving plant growth. It lightens clay soil and helps sandy soil hold water, and it helps protect plants from drought. And there are many other benefits.
Wow. So you're saying you don't need a huge space in the backyard garden. You can start small. You can do it in containers. You can also do what you call it, the vertical
gardening.
Right.
Yes,
you can do all of it. So space is not an issue. Even if you live in an apartment, you can
it's not an issue.
Right. Instead of you may have apartment, you may have a pot with some flowers. Instead of the flowers, which is nice and pretty, you could from vegetable. I agree. A good way to start the new year. Getting some exercise. Getting the whole family involved in this. And when you're going to reap, must be a wonderful feeling that you say, boy, this has come from my garden, though.
Yes, that is a female that you'll get.
I want to thank you so much, Ms. Rasheda Linton, Acting Fruit Tree Crop Coordinator with RADA, for coming on this morning and highlighting how we can benefit for ourselves and the environment. Thank you so much.
You're most welcome.
Great. So that's it for our Agrobuzz feature today. And of course, using kitchen waste such as peel and cuttings to create mulch and compost for our gardens this year. It's another strategy to help us to grow what we eat and eat what we grow. And in our plant quarantine tip for you today, if you see signs of the frosty pod rot of cocoa disease, please call the Pest Risk Analysis Unit at the Ministry, 876-977-7160. And keep listening to Agrobuzz for more information on the work of the Ministry of Industry, Commerce, Agriculture and Fisheries. And please visit their website at micaf.gov.jm. You may also follow them on Twitter and like them on Facebook. See you again next week for another Agrobuzz.
What we grow, when we say grow what we eat, it's good for our economy. On the brand new